pulse 3.
Put that as a motivation slide.
Yeah, okay, and from 5 to 5.
My name is Nazeeruddin. I am a professor at EPFL. There I am working as a professor in Southeast University and as chief scientist at Atmolite. I was born in a place called Tumbur. This is within India. The state is called Telangana and the district is called Khammam. My village is Tumbur. After graduating with a distinction, that's quite a big rank. I graduated from Osmania University. So there I have prepared well, and then I got a rank below 10 for entrance for the master course in chemistry. At that time, knowledge in India was not sufficient for me to grow in genetic subjects. That's how I landed up in chemistry. In chemistry again, I passed with a distinction. And then I joined for the PhD course in the same university. By that time, I was interested in catalysis to produce ammonia. That was the initial goal. Regarding my interest in renewable energy, my background, I'm specialized in metal complexes, and we call sensitizers. These sensitizers absorbs light and they convert the solar energy into electricity. So that's how our project started. Now we are working on the different technology. It's called perovskite solar cells. In solar energy, we have different technologies. The first generation solar technology is called silicon solar cells, and the second generation is thin film solar cells, and third generation is dye-sensitive solar cells and organic solar cells and perovskite solar cells. So these are all thin film solar cells. So the first generation, they are quite stable and they are very efficient. There is no doubt, but it's technologically very demanding. It needs a high-tech and very sophisticated facilities and equipment. Coming to our technology, the third generation of solar cells, which is based on the dye-sensitive solar cells, organic solar cells and perovskite solar cells. They are solution processed where you can just mix the components, a process by solution, and then make your solar cells. So this materials has a very interesting, unique properties. The perovskite absorption properties are quite strong. As thin as 1 micrometer absorbs all the visible light, sunlight. Discuss the perovskite solar cells. Perovskite solar cells, simple composition was lead iodide, methylammonium iodide. You mix these two compounds, you get a perovskite three-dimensional structure. Imagine tomorrow if we combine perovskite and the silicon in a tandem configuration, this can give 350 watts. So that's the advantage of this perovskite and silicon solar cells, which can be integrated together to get the same surface area and increase the power conversion efficiency by another 40–50%. So the perovskite solar cells, the building integration is one aspect where you can integrate to the facades, on the rooftops. Here you can see 3 colors. This is the orange color, and this is the black color, and this is the red color. So all this based on one sensitizer, ruthenium. We have to substitute different ligands to get the orange color and to get the black color and red color. So this is our invention. So using this type of colors, you can integrate into building facades, and this type of cells can give you power conversion efficiency close to 10%. The way we see, since I'm working in this technology, I can be biased, but I'm positive that perovskite solar cells certainly will lead the market. But certainly perovskite solar cells will enter into the market with such high efficiencies, low cost, and easy to produce. This technology has a bright future. I would like to thank them. So far they have done extremely good job for identifying the suitable candidates, and it's not only in the case of me, but fortunately I happens to see all the candidates, and if they continue scrutinizing and giving this award with the highly deserved people with innovations and publications and their reputation. So this is a very welcome situation with the Mustafa Prize. So far they are doing extremely good job.